To find square root of 3600 by long division method, we need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is our first pair, this is our second pair. Consider this pair 36. Take here a number whose square will be equal to 36 or near to 36. If you take here 6 squared equal to 36. So 6 is correct. Same digit will come to the quotient side also. 6 times 6, 36. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down the next pair. Okay. You have placed here the digit 6. So same digit will come under the divisor. And you need to add 6 plus 6, 12. Here you have to take here a digit. That digit must come here. Then you need to multiply this times this and you will get zeros. 30 means actually 0. So let me check this times this. So this is 0, right? So easily you can take here 0 times this 120. 0 times 0 0 0 times 0 0 0 times 1 0. 0 times 0 0 0 times 2 0 0 times 1 0. Okay, so our guessing digit 0 is correct. 0 times 120, which is 0. If you subtract, you will get 0. To check our answer, look, we have placed here the digit 0, so 0 will come here. 120 plus 0, 120. Look here, the double of 60 is 120. So we can say that our answer is correct. So the square root of 3600 by long division method is 60.